Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn something very important and useful, especially for students, writers and anyone who wants to improve their writing skills. Our topic is Precis Writing. In this video we will cover what is Precis Writing, why is Precis Writing important, features of a good Precis, how to write a Precis step by step, common mistakes to avoid, real examples of Precis Writing, and in the final tips and practice I will give you some suggestions. So stay with me till the end of this video. So number 1. What is Precis Writing? Let's begin with the basics. Precis writing means writing a short and clear summary of a longer passage. You pick out the main ideas and important points and remove all extra explanation, examples or extra words. In the simple words, Precis writing is like telling a long story in just a few sentences without changing its meaning. So there are some points you have to focus on it. You should not add your own opinions. You must not change the original meaning. The Precis should be much shorter than the original passage, usually about 1/3 of the original length. Now move to the next section. Why is Precis writing important? Now you may wonder, why should we learn Precis writing? Here is why. It improves reading and understanding skills. It teaches you to find the main idea quickly. It helps you write clearly and concisely. It saves time in exams, reports, and real-life communication. It builds logical thinking and discipline in writing. Many exams, competitive tests, and office work need Precis writing skills, so it's a very practical skill. Now move to the next section is features of a good Precis. A good Precis should have these qualities. Number 1. Clear. It should be easy to understand. Number 2. Concise. Only the important points should be included. Number 3. Complete. It should cover all the major points. Number 4. Coherent. The idea should be logically connected. Number 5. Objective. No personal opinions or extra comments. Number 6. Written in own words. Avoid copying exact sentences from the passage. Now quickly move to the next section, and our next section is how to write a Precis. A step-by-step guide. Now let's understand how you can write a good Precis step by step. Number 1. Read the passage carefully. Read it 2 or 3 times to understand it fully. Identify the main idea of supporting points. Number 2. Highlight the main points, underline or note down the important facts, arguments and ideas. Ignore examples, long descriptions and repeated ideas. Number 3. Make an outline. Arrange the main points logically. Think of a flow, introduction, middle points and conclusion. Number 4. Write the Precis. Use simple and clear language. Avoid using complex words or long sentences. Stick to the main ideas only. Number 5. Revise and edit. Check your Precis for grammar, spelling and clarity. Make sure you have not changed the meaning. Make sure the length is about 1/3 of the original passage. Now move to the next section, common mistakes to avoid. While writing a Precis, avoid these mistakes. Adding new ideas, not present in the original passage. Giving personal opinions or judgment. Missing the main point or idea. Copying long sentences directly from the passage. Making it too long or too short. Always stay true to the original meaning. Now move to the next section. Our next section is real examples of Precis writing. Let's take a simple example. So I'm going to share our original passage. It is: exercise is important for a healthy life. It helps in controlling weight, improving mood, boosting energy, and promoting better sleep. Regular physical activity prevents many health problems like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Without exercise, the body becomes weak and unhealthy. This word counts around 45 words. Now, create this Precis from this passage. Exercise promotes good health by managing weight, improving mood and energy, enhancing sleep, and preventing disease like heart disease and diabetes. The word count here is 20 words around. See how the main points are kept but extra explanations are removed. Now move to the next section. Our next section is final tips for Precis writing. Here are some last tips for you. Practice regularly by summarizing newspapers, articles, essays, or chapters. Time yourself to build speech and accuracy. Focus on the essence, not the details. Always use simple language. Maintain the tone of the original passage, formal, emotional, serious or casual. With practice, you will become a master at Precis writing. In the conclusion, we learned everything about Precis writing, what it is, why it is important, how to write it and what makes to avoid. If you practice Precis writing regularly, you will not only do well in exams but also communicate better in life and work. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also comment below if you want a practice exercise on a Precis writing. I'll make for you. Thank you. Bye bye. Jai Hind.